Hi there, this is our Lagun mill. It's a universal mill with the right angle universal head, so there's two axes that it can swivel on there. Came out of a Polytech. They have gone and taken this panel off here at some stage of its life, which we don't have, and put a perspex there so they can use it as a teaching aid for the students. You can see in through the gears, etc. The mill has really been looked after. It's in really good condition and hasn't done a lot of work. All the table and bedways, etc. Are all in beautiful condition, and it ticks over like a dream. It's got a really nice old German DRO that's still working well and nice and bright to read, etc. So yeah, general condition's good. Alright, we'll start here. The back's tidy. It's got that panel there. You've got your feed this side, coolant pump there. The coolant pump, I can hear that it's running, but I haven't got fluid in it. I assume that it's working. The table is in really good condition. You've got your feed direction and neutral here. Someone's fitted a late model starter at some stage. Your traverse here, coolant control, spindle direction, and speeds over here. All the axes are really nice to operate, real smooth and easy. I'll start it up. I've got it in, and the DRO's working when I'm doing that. I've got it in a low gear but a really high feed rate. So there's your feed here, so neutral one direction, neutral in the other. And so I've just engaged the feed on the table that way and back. Now I've just engaged the cross slide there going across on that table, and I can send it back towards me, so that's engaging nicely. And the table that's going down, sorry, the knee, and now up. So that's going in and out nicely. I can put it into another feed range. So that's a slow one. Table's coming towards me. And back that way. So those are pretty much the feeds. I'll put that in neutral. It's nice to change, and they all feel nice, and all the movements feel good. The DRO is good to read there and working nicely. Alright, we'll put it through some different speeds. I won't put it through all of them. We're in 28 RPM there. I will put it in, say, 45. I've run it with the right angle head off, and it's really quiet. It's obviously noisier with the right angle head. That will be 90. We will quickly go through them. Read the 180. Okay, we'll go into the high range, and that there, 355. $7.10. And I'll take you to the fastest speed. which is 1400. Whoops. That's 1400 running there. So those are the speed ranges. It engages and disengages nicely. Everything feels and sounds right. So it's all in good working order. And I don't think there's much else to show you really. So it's a beautiful, strong, rigid, well made, top quality mill. Hasn't done a lot of work, been really looked after, and it's all ready to go into work.